What's up, all you crazy box breaking, card collecting, sport card fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. Two breaks for you tonight. But first, the bad break drawing for Saturday night's break, giving away a $10 promo code. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Here we go, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the winner is Alex. Now, we'll start off tonight with the divisional break of the Totally Certified Football. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there is the roster for the Totally Certified. Alright, good luck everybody. Matt Castle, Peyton Manning, red parallel rookie for the Patriots, Jimmy Garoppolo, 38 out of 100. Trey Mason, and a rookie red parallel autograph for the Cowboys, Michael Sam, going to Joe, number 25 out of 50. Victor Cruz, Alex Smith, Andre Johnson, Charles Sims, and a rookie triple patch. Nice looking patches for the Browns, Johnny Manziel. Another one for you, Joe. Super short print, 4 out of 25. Ryan Matthews, Terrell Suggs, Jadavian Clowney, rookie blue parallel, 48 out of 50. Going to Joe, Kelvin Benjamin, and a game use patch for the Jets, Eric Decker. Another one for you, Joe. LaShawn McCoy, Matt Ryan, Carson Palmer, Robert Herron, and a rookie autograph jersey patch for the Packers, Devontae Adams. Going to Joe. And that will do it for the Totally Certified. Now we'll get the roster for the Supreme case break. And here we go, 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll paste the results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. Alright, good luck everybody. First for the Cubs, Jorge Soler on card autograph. Going to Tad. On card rookie auto for the Blue Jays, Robert Azuna. That one going to Van. On card autograph for the Phillies, Maikel Franco. Phillies going to Tad. And on card rookie auto for the White Sox, Micah Johnson. Going to Brandy. On card autograph for the Twins, Kenneth Vargas. Twins going to Tad. And on card autograph for the Red Sox, Dustin Pedroia. Going to Brandy. On card autograph for the Diamondbacks, Paul Goldschmidt, 34 out of 50. Going to Pete. And let's put on a touch. On card rookie autograph for the Dodgers, Jock Peterson. Congratulations, Donald. Another one for you, Donald. This one doesn't have the rookie emblem. For the Dodgers, Jock Peterson. And on card autograph for the Indians, Jan Gomes, excuse me. The Indians going to Tad. On card autograph for the Blue Jays, Dalton Pompey. Going to Van. And on card autograph for the A's, Sonny Gray. One going to Nick W. For the A's, Jose Canseco. Another one for you, Nick. And on card rookie auto for the Rangers, Anthony Ronaldo. Rangers going to Tad. On card, autograph for the Royals, Brandon Finnegan. Royals going to Tad. And for the Dodgers, another Jacques Peterson, rookie auto. This one, the 101 printing plate auto version. Congratulations, Donald. Very cool. You go down. The third one to boot. Well, Donald, another one for you. Jacques Peterson autograph. This one a super short print. Last one made 20 out of 20. Or is that 20 out of 28 out of 29? Congratulations. And on card rookie auto for the Nationals, Michael Taylor. And one going to Corey. On card autograph for the Yankees, Dylan Betances. Yankees going to Craig. And on card autograph for the Mets, Jacob deGrom. That one going to Tad. And that will do it for tonight's break. Back at it tomorrow with some football. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.